was saying. Part 2. Anyway, like I was saying. If you Spanish, you can come up to me like. If you fat, don't think about it. If you cannot see your toes, don't ever come in my face. If your stomach over your crotch, don't ever come in my face. If you ain't got no hair, don't ever come in my face. Alright. Oh, if you ain't pretty. If you ain't, that's a must not come in my face. I will dead smack shout you like. Fuck is wrong with you like. Anyway, I'm gonna tell you my type right now. My type, long hair. My girlfriend Darcy, but she's Spanish, like. You understand? Alright, anyway. Like, you could be light skinned, you could be Spanish, like. Spanish! Fucking heard me? I date some black girls, like. Some, you know, a little ready mini. But you gotta be a bad chick, like, no weave, like, bitch, if I'm fuck you and a track fall out your head, game over. Get the fuck out of my house. But yeah, I'm off this though. I love YouTube. I'm making a video soon with my own song, my own little video outside my crib and shit. So y'all need to tune in for that. Y'all need to help me out with some topics, you know. Call me up 347-517-9619. Hit me up. You know? Hey, Lesbian Girl 28. LEZBINGRL 28 for those who don't know how to spell. Twitter, Pretty Boy Sex Day, October 26th under dash after sex day. You heard? Making love faces. Faces. Why the candles burning? Why you sweating out your permit? Making love faces. That's that shit by Trey. Yeah.